Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is curry leaf powder. You can serve this curry leaf powder with hot rice and ghee. Let's start the recipe. Add 4 tablespoons of oil and 10 red chilies. Adjust red chilies as per your taste. Saute for 1 minute on low heat. Now add less than 1/4 cup of dry coconut pieces and fry until they change color. Now you can see the coconut pieces change its color. In the same pan, add 1 cup of cleaned curry leaves and half of the size of small lemon of tamarind. Fry them on low heat until the curry leaves turns crispy. These curry leaves are rich in vitamin A, B, C and B2 and in iron and calcium. Curry leaves helps in hair growth, weight loss and it has more benefits. We use curry leaves in many curries, but kids may throw away. So if you prepare powder with curry leaves like this and serve with hot rice and ghee, it will be tasty and healthy for kids. Now let them cool completely. You can see the crispy curry leaves in the video. Add 3/4 tablespoon of cumin, 5 garlic and pulse grind them. Add salt as per your taste and pulse grind it once again. Very tasty and healthy curry leaf powder is ready. You can store for 15 to 20 days in an airtight container. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. More healthy recipes are given in the description box. Please watch it. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and follow Shalini Foods in Facebook. Thanks for watching.